I'm moving to LA. She said it was a 2-person job. Everything is empty. Fuck this, I can't. My room is empty. How cozy is this house right now? Hi. So, I'm moving again. Are you surprised? Not really. If you don't know, hi. My name is Mai. I'm basically the CEO of moving every 6 months and impulsively traveling to Bali on YouTube, and also having an ex-boyfriend that cheated on me, but we don't need to talk about that. Hi, I just turned 18 and basically I've been living in this place for about 10 months now, 11 months now. This is a record, by the way. I usually move every 6 months, but I actually love this place. But the thing is, I'm moving to LA. And I know you might be like, Mai, what do you mean? I thought you just bought a house in Calgary. You're right. I did, but then I pulled out of it because they said 5% interest. I hope y'all realize everyone else is like 1 to 3%, and they said 5% interest because I just turned 18. I don't got credit. I don't got shit. So they were like 5% interest, and I said, that I'm gonna do something else. So I'm just gonna move to LA. And I know I was just gonna go back and forth from Canada and the US and Canada and the US and Canada and the US, and you know that because I've mentioned it so many times. But with everything going on, I don't want to be having to get on a plane all the time, and I don't want to get stopped by the border every 2 seconds, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna move to LA, and I know you're gonna be like, Ma, you're just gonna turn a basic LA girl and just like all the other YouTubers, and like I'm just gonna unsubscribe because like what happened? I missed the old Mai, like Mai, you're changing. I'm just moving there because the weather's nicer, Sterling has more fun there, and I also have Daniela. If you guys don't know who Daniela is, Daniela Perkins is my best friend, and I love her family out there, and I just have the best time with this girl, and I just feel like we motivate each other, you know, we get shit done. And I'm sure, I hope y'all like her too, because if you don't, I mean like, because she's gonna be in my videos all the time. But anyways, enough of this intro. If you see, my dining room table is gone. Why? It's because I listed everything on Facebook Marketplace yesterday, and I didn't think everything would sell, but everything sold just like that. People are coming to pick it up today and then over the weekend. Today's currently Friday, and I need to sell everything basically by Monday, so we're getting the ball rolling. But my mental health is slowly deteriorating because everything is everywhere. I literally went to go sit down to eat my breakfast today, and there's no chairs. Why? Because I sold them this morning and I totally forgot. But the moving process begins. I was gonna take a little U-Haul truck with my car on the back of it and pack all my furniture there and then drive it across Canada border and bring it to the US. That's a 26-hour drive. But I was like, no, we're not gonna do that. It's gonna be a fresh start out in LA. We're going to thrift. We're going to go on Facebook Marketplace and find all of our furniture because I feel like it's just less of a hassle and, you know, a little bit of a fresh start. So come along this journey with me, a freshly turned 18-year-old. Just turned 18 in December. Moving from Calgary, Alberta to Los Angeles, California, where none of my family is. Basically just doing it alone. Enjoy! Alright, so I gotta go get moving boxes and also pick up Anila and Reagan. They are my hometown besties. I know I keep saying like hometown besties, but like dead ass, like me, Jessica, Anila, and Reagan were the OGs back in elementary school. So I'm gonna go pick them up and they're just gonna come hang out while I pack and everything because I don't really have very much time to just like sit around and hang out since I move next week. So they're just gonna come along for the journey, and I also gotta go get boxes. Alright, let's go. Boxes to ship all my shit. We got the boxes.
There's big ones over there.
My name's Anila, and I used to work at a plant store.
Wow, a plant.
Drydex.
Hey guys, so today I'm doing a Home Depot haul. So first I got this little sanding block. Looks like this. It's very smooth. And then I got this little putty filler. Very nice. Thanks.
Do I want to get the big boy that's $15 or do I want to get this for $3? I feel like this is gonna be convenient. F it. We're living lavish. Hire me. I accidentally scanned it twice.
An associate will be with you shortly.
I accidentally scanned it twice. Can I e-transfer you?
Yeah.
I forgot to bring my card. Whoopsies. Can you just like take one thing off just because my tap has a $100 limit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
An associate will be with you shortly.
We're so problematic.
Oh shoot. I can't go back because a payment's already been tried. Do you want me to do $100?
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay.
Oh, I got approved.
Yeah.
Would you like an e-receipt?
I'm good, thanks.
Sorry.
It's all good.
I've never done split payment through self-checkout.
It's all okay. You seem like you're doing great.
There we go.
Boom! Wow.
I really see where I'm going.
What would I do without her? I don't understand. Fuck this, I can't. I like this handy dandy tape machine better. So Reagan left, but we got all the boxes situated. I don't know how I'm gonna ship this all. I don't even know if it's gonna make it across the border, but we'll figure it out. Anila is currently making quinoa bowls, and I need to take these mirrors down because someone's coming to pick them up right away. I literally remember putting these mirrors up. I have to fill in these holes, and that's gonna be the difficult part.
That's a lot of cheese.
Wow!
Yummy.
Welcome back to my cooking channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Mediterranean quinoa bowls. Enjoy! This is good. Wow, nutritious and healthy. I showed her the Alani new energy drinks.
I think it's really good. It doesn't really taste like an energy drink.
That's what I got.
It's really good.
Hi, okay, so we're in my bathroom because I was gonna start my office and then I kept looking at it and I was like, I don't know what the f to do. So we're gonna start my bathroom and organize what I'm gonna give away to like my friends and family and then what I'm gonna keep. So I'm gonna take out what I wanna keep, put it in a box, and then Hila's gonna grab the things that I don't take and put it in the other box. All right, time for clothes. This is gonna take a fucking minute. Basically same process. I'm gonna pick out what I want and then she's just gonna grab what I don't want. We're gonna fold them into boxes and shit. This is gonna be a difficult process. I'm starting new with my wardrobe basically in LA. I wanna like thrift and shit and I already have been. I just feel like I just need a new wardrobe. This shirt has so many memories. And bleach stains. This shirt also so many memories. I literally remember living in my first apartment. I watch my vlogs back and I wear this shirt because I thrifted it, so I'm gonna keep it. This shirt that I DIY'd for nationals when I was like in 15U to be a libero. I got this shirt with my ex. Not gonna keep it. Gotta keep this shirt. I got it thrifting. 10 out of 10. Hi, okay, so it is the next day now. Anila's not here. I slept over at her place just because, you know, we made cheese boards and just hung out. But I need to get my shit together because tomorrow I go to Whitecourt to do some other things. And I need to bring back a bunch of things from my hometown friends and my family to pick from because I get sent a lot of free things. And like, I obviously can't bring it all. But I also need to, I made a whole list basically. Okay, I have a to-do list right here and we're gonna try to complete this all today, tomorrow, the next week after that, but there's still a lot to do. I need to go to the store right now to buy zip ties and a little bit of smaller boxes. Let's do that and then we'll continue on packing everything up. I'm sorry that this vlog is so hectic. It's because moving is hectic, but yeah. All right, let's go. Home Depot part 2 of very many. Can I get a iced oat milk vanilla latte? Starbucks is something I drink all the time whenever I'm in LA, but whenever I'm back in Canada, never drink it. I usually go for like Tim Hortons or something, but I'm feeling some Starbucks right now. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Boom, got the goods. Let me try to figure out how to get home because to be honest, I don't really know. Okay, so it turns out I need to get in the other fucking lane. All right, let's try this drink. I usually get like iced cascara, like sweet cream cold brews, but those have so much sugar in it that I'll just go with like an oat milk iced latte, like vanilla latte now. It tastes good. I haven't drank coffee in a minute, but I thought I would need it since I'm so busy today. And you know, I want to be entertaining for you guys, and I can't be entertaining if I don't have coffee. Also, my tennis coats off because I feel like there could be so many cops around. So I went to Home Depot, bought these big boy zip ties, and now I'm going to zip tie all of my hangers like this so they're nice and organized so that when I move in, I can just plop them on, snip, and we're good to go. Alright, I organized 2 boxes. These are all my hangers. I have a lot, but now I'm gonna organize my nightstands and just basically throw away whatever I don't want. There's like a lot of trash and stuff in here. $10 out of 10 bucks. I'm literally bringing these with me. So while I do the nightstands and everything, she's gonna take down this wall and I feel like this is gonna be a good time lapse, so let's do that. So the wall's finished. It looks so empty, like it doesn't look right to me. I don't know. Like, it looks so cold and empty in here. The wall definitely added a lot. But now I'm gonna wrap guitars, but Anila's gonna clear out these drawers. I have all these bikinis and I don't want them anymore because like I'm getting sent new ones. So I thought I would just give them away and then whatever she doesn't want, put in a bag, bring it back to my hometown. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Wow, and 10 minutes later, everything is empty. All right, so I've been neglecting this room this whole time because look at it. It's a mess, but I'm gonna try to organize this, and I got all these Funko Pops that I need to put back into the box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I'm just gonna keep them and send them back to my parents' house because I don't wanna like sell them, but I also don't wanna bring them to LA, so that's the vibe. Time lapse. Shout out to Crocs for sending me these Crocs. I mean, they also sent me like these, which are cool, but like these give me an extra like 5 inches of height. Little fashion show moment. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm taking these off. You better stop! I almost broke my ankle like 3 times. This flag has been with me for so long. Thank you, Nelk Boys, for giving it to me. But unfortunately, I'm not bringing it to LA. Shout out to Cruz, you're getting it. If you know who Cruz is, he's my first boyfriend ever back in middle school, and he's been in a lot of like my high school videos. What the? Y'all see that?
Cut the cameras.
Shit. Whoops. Hi, welcome to my garage. So I just pulled my car up. The reason why it's like that is because I can't actually pull my car into the garage. I literally have a garage, but I've never been able to park in here. Why? Because there's this telephone pole right here, and it's literally more inward than the garage itself. So it's like impossible to back into. So that's why. But I'm gonna try to stuff all these into the car. It fit, y'all. Today is the 12th of January, it's a Tuesday, and I move on Friday, but Kansas and Autumn and Cruz and Jay are here. They're currently just taking my rug for free because it's dirty, but they still want it for free because they're gonna steam clean it. She said it was a 2-person job. Cruz, how you doing? They got the pillows that we're moving out. Kansas lives alone now, guys.
This is going in my living room.
Jay, how are you doing?
I'm doing so good.
How cozy is this house right now? Thank you, I agree. It's moving day. All right, so if you hear this echo, it's because my room is empty. It's not just my room, it's the bathroom. Oh my gosh, look, where did the collage wall go? Where did all the flavor and spice go? But everything's like emptied out. Closet's empty. Let me give you a little empty tour. Empty bathroom, empty room, empty room, and empty downstairs. So if you're wondering where all my stuff is, it is either in boxes or black bags going back to my hometown, which I've already taken a whole load. I drove 5 hours, or it's in boxes being shipped to LA right now, which is the majority of them. I shipped like 11 of them yesterday, 4 of them the other day, and then I have 2 more right here. But this was a good house. This is my last time ever gonna be in this house. I feel like I moved in here yesterday, but also like I feel like everything that happened here was a blur. Like I don't remember it just because everything was so crazy. So I don't really remember very many memories living in this house, which kind of sucks because I love it. But last final walkthrough. It is so empty and so echoey, and I'm so hungry. All my luggage is downstairs. My flight is in like 3 hours, so I gotta head out.